transition to Tempcover and to take over their data function was a function of mid-pandemic or early pandemic. Probably best place to be is not in a taxi business, because people weren't allowed to go about in 2020, if you remember. And I thought, do you know what? I'll go back to insurance because it's quite safe and I know my stuff in insurance, financial services. And actually, I was looking around and they approached me, and they didn't have a data analytics function. Basically, the way they did any data was the CTO would run a SQL script, get some data, have a look at it, and then go, I think the answer's 3. And they wanted someone to come in and complete the jigsaw, as they called it. So they recruited lots of C-suite people who were similar to me, so like industry, big corporates, etc. And they wanted their experience, but at the same time they needed you to be a bit hands-on. So not just sit in an ivory tower and tell everyone what to do, but they wanted someone who could still operate, Excel, Power BI, write SQL, whatever. Which I know goes against the grain of everything everyone says, that you shouldn't be technical, but I still like myself to be quite technical.